Looking on this expression, we can see that we have y raised to the negative 8 minus y raised to the negative 12. We're going to factor out our GCF. And in this case, our GCF is the smaller value of y. And what's the smaller value of y here? It is y raised to the negative 12. And the reason for this is because the further away from 0 we go in the negative direction on a number line, the smaller the number gets. Hence why negative 12 is smaller than negative 8. Now let's factor the expression. And we know when we factor, we divide the expression by the GCF. So this will be equal to y. And when we divide indices, we subtract the exponents. So this will be negative 8 minus negative 12. And this is negative 12 minus negative 12. Negative 8 plus 12, because we have two negative signs here. This is equal to y raised to the 4th power minus 1, because negative 12 plus 12 is 0, and any value raised to 0 is 1. Now, after factoring our expression, we are left with this: y raised to the 12th power, open parentheses, y raised to the 4th power minus 1, close parentheses. Alright, looking on this expression, can we factor it even further? Yes, we can, because here we have the difference of two squares. So we can use the difference of two squares formula to factor this part of the expression further. So let's go ahead. First, we're going to recall the formula for the difference of two squares. Let me highlight this. So the formula for the difference of two squares is x squared minus y squared equals x plus y times x minus y. First, we're going to identify our x squared term and our y squared term. In this expression, x squared is y raised to the 4th power, and our y squared is 1. And in order to find our x and y terms, we need to find the square root of these values respectively. So first, to find our x, so our x term is y squared. And how I arrived here is because of a property of radicals where the exponent can be written as the numerator, and because this is square root, the denominator is 2. So if this was cube root, the denominator would have been 3. Now our y term is simply 1. Now let's write the result. And as always, we include our GCF. We're not finished as yet. When we look on the expression, we can notice a difference of 2 squares. So we are going to factor here further. Let's go ahead. And because we already know the formula, we can do this part in our heads because it is simple. So the resulting factorization is y plus 1, y minus 1. Alright, finally we're at our answer. I'll catch you in the next lesson. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.